Today, what I want to do is show how you can update the Maschine Plus while in standalone mode. So before you start, you want to make sure that you plug in the power adapter. Don't run any of these updates from the bus power. Next, you're going to want to insert the SD card, either the one from the factory or another fast SDXC. And be sure to back up your project files if needed. If you go over to settings and then hit storage mode, this lets you mount the SD card on your computer to copy your files. All right, so to update the Maschine Plus system machine software, on the hardware, press settings. Then use the 4D encoder to go to system and then choose update. Press update and follow the prompts. The unit will then download, install, and reboot. To take advantage of the Maschine 3 features, a valid license must be present in your account. Now let's say if you want to update the instruments, effects, expansion, and other content. The first thing you're going to want to do is press settings and then select library, turn knob 1 to updates, scroll the list up with the 4D encoder or knob 6, then press button 8, which is update on any item you want to update, and repeat for others. Now, if you don't see any updates, there are some things that you want to check. The first is reconnect the Wi-Fi settings. You can do this by going to the network, pick your SSID, and enter your password. The next thing you can do is log into your native ID on the device. Without this login, the library updates list might be empty. Also, you're going to want to check to see that you have a valid license for Maschine 3 on your account. That's, of course, if you are aiming to use the Maschine 3 features. And last but not least, you want to make sure that you have enough free SD card space for the expansions. As a last resort, one of the things that you might want to do is use the computer firmware updater. So if the standalone update fails, NI provides a Mac/Windows firmware updater. Just connect Maschine Plus via the USB, run the Maschine Plus firmware updater, then click update. Now, I hope you have found this video to be valuable. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. We will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we are out.